welcome back to another video. We are aboard after ages of not being able to go on the boat after the lockdown. So it's still kind of in the lockdown, but the government have said you're allowed to go down to your boat, so that's perfect. And yeah, I don't know exactly what day it is, but I'll probably put that down there. But yeah, it's a lovely sunny day. Also, a quick update. Our old autopilot died, so we got a new one. And it doesn't have one of these alarm clock type screens. It actually has a real LCD.
When we were sorted, we headed out of the marina.
Once out into the Sound, we hoisted the mainsail.
After that, we unfurled the genoa, which gave us some speed.
Ready? Go!
And then something unusual happened. It's terrible filming, but our gear lever stopped working for about like 5 minutes, but we're okay now. How we doing, Dad?
We're calming down after anchoring under sail when we couldn't start the engine because the gear was stuck.
How we doing, Mum?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah,
Nothing like a challenge.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Just kind of had to stay calm and just adopt it, really.
Yeah. Bit of a scary one, wasn't it? And time for lunch! Yay! God, that was stressful. Coca-Cola, not sponsored by the way, but you know, Coke if you want to just hit us up, you know.
After lunch, we headed back to the marina.
And we're back! Yay! The engine's really loud, so I move away. I forgot to film the actual mooring process, but it was like normal really. It was really smooth actually, I should have filmed it, but I forgot to, which is annoying. Yay! Perfect. Nice and safe. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.